So if you can mistakes na here, yeah, obi a mistake. Mimpo a me menya appointment because me so make say me so my mistake. Yendi fun so and try to bring out proposal to mitigate the whole issue than to try to appear like a saint, to try to appear as holy. Never suboni ni na kobo the other side. It's neither here nor there. It will help.
Manuel, okay. Just before you like continue, greetings to everybody. Tap on the screen. Adikudinti amame. Eda no pa homachi. Menyani ameye live. Nene say, utie ni speech na umeki no America na. Manuel, this man is distancing himself from the NPP. Yet he wants to lead NPP. What is the logic? You are distancing yourself and accusing Bawumia, and Bawumia is accepting the accusation. That what was the party in you are distancing yourself from the party, and yet you want to lead that party. Who did you ban them? No, we are saying one round. Obama never mouse one round. What type of nonsense is this?
But fellas, the media crown. Recently, I think on Friday I went to Happy. And then they had a session via NPP ni Ken ni way. And then one thing that they were also saying, they say, Bawumia is not fit to be a leader because don't make Kwabenya seat, you know. Time now address for AD Bawumia, you know, now can say or man call back to the constituency, no cobwa. But the thing is, I hope now they will have issues there. So let's even assume say asema wo kan ye no kre Bawumia man na nko wan kwa campaign in your constituency one kasa constituency na issue ni ho Asen Central na issue ni ho obi ani obi anko ye e wo now what's now so for I think 24 years, right?
Yes, 6 times 24 years.
Therefore you had influence there. If truly, asema wo can make sense, say Enfanye Juma, say Bawumia ma address of what dinichi, issue Hon Ken na yam domi Kwabenya. Oh, no issue de ho. Other na went me renew seats. And then whenever they are talking, Monsieur, na NDC, and na NDC stronghold, it's a lie. I sent South by then, 1992, NPP uncontested. That was the only year NDC winning year because there wasn't any contest. And NDC year from 1992 to 1994.
Yeah.
Sorry, 1996. Then he came to take over. And to OBAD, one term, there wasn't any contest. You can't call that seat a stronghold of the NDC now, Betty, there be. So it's neither here nor there. Now let me also give a little historical way big kakra. Now I think I know kind of you know one man ample time. I mean friend.
Kasa Manuel kasa na me fire to 12. Me fire nkwa. Papa no you fired. Kasa
Martin Nkrofo a hinting and person me here no.
Obi abeka bi don't worry time wom. E ya no obi abeka bi yanko.
Martin. So now me person me clear the issue. They be kase aka 9 pe na Nkrofo kase we start election with at ground zero. So there is nothing like a canine pay. Now, Felix, yes, we've been told by all political scientists say Ghana has NPP of 40%, NDC of 40%. Meboa.
Yes.
Into so say we start any election as zero is a lie. I won't believe it. Because politics for politicians for no any political science about it as NPP. Any NDC or 40%. We just fight for the 11%, you know. Now we winning. So already, you know, now a better election as you know. Now look at the issues in Ghana. Apart you 8 years round, 8 years we taxes. The Abagana of Wankasa they were complaining about our stewardship. But Felix, it will wonder you say even with all these issues at that air cost for Ghana, Bawumia was able to hold the base of NPP.
Yes,
we got our 40% and had extra 1.7% more vote into it. So with the issues about yeah, Nkrofo semi and Kotwa say nina. Bawumia was able to hold on to our base, which is the 40%, and added 1.7%, which means with the and your mom the boss so haptel yenedia yenedia
Chantro to Papa
PDS
Isu, chantro to Papa Isu for no reason.
yes
The chantro
he
to
was
say Papa we are on your way, but we are more with brother. Papa
he was
Moudinda.
able to maintain the base of the New Patriotic Party.
Manuel, can you answer? Manuel, hold on. Mr. Wu, give me this information because I was also in Ghana. Ne
All right.
constituency hono. Who saw the parliamentary candidate in the state back so cry
I'm here to see any picture or video to
He
that effect.
didn't.
Me who be
The amikura minimum say penny be kura the paper be chere me a ono Sunday Ghana sika no 150,000 you say then edema NDC Muslim boy now will be winning you know. I heard say he Kennedy sowed the seed in that seat.
Minya. Say seat nanka ono kan no olusu dada. Ono kan no olusu.
Because the vote was depreciating. The vote was depreciating.
Na tia na etie o the last election 2020 wo hwe vote onya e etonu say ke ebebo tento kaso nko bi I'm telling you.
You are saying big somebody should let you leave. Manuel fire
for olusu ankasa
unya we ya to abem why
na different ko enroute 3,000 so
no bro
Mate. And then, so if he was able to hold on to the base of the party up to now, I think that he's the right person because NDC baye Oma Kleno of every wrongdoing.
Yes.
And your man no ye ni na ne digitization or the baye and your war and ni say. Waba bejia tum the potency of the Ghana card. Eba haptel afi your mama yati says haptel in ba umia de ebim. Eba PDS they are yet to tackle PDS. Omunchi obi biara. So all the claims of Mother Toba so we try and throw their bed, they are still clearing him. It's by 2028, Yamia Domaya Mquania Huaden dia, Naya Clan Naya wire as white as snow. Now would the Nipas and election be ma, the end is back after and him. Because if more anything to do to him, send more 4 years, why Bonnie and Kamacheno? But you were not able to do that. You've cleared him of every wrongdoing. Therefore, Baumia will be going on a clean sheet.
Yes.
But when he change a candidate and bring Obi say Rakena, I feel no so you play the video in the one you mean I was opposition. I was say attacking no. I feel you defense. Now the risk Usha MPP historical victory. Usha in the year 1992. Yede Yera Dubois Hinkoye. Who shared the vote difference between Onono Yera Rawlings? Na 1.1 million.
Yes.
Who shared the vote difference? It was 1.1 million.
Yes.
In 1996, we changed our candidates. Yede Yera Kufuor Koye. Yera Kufuor Koye and Yera Kufuor Lusu by 1.3 million.
Yeah.
He lost by 1.20.
I do want to certain and health issues, you know. Now you who's any health to crown.
Yeah, but I'm just even saying, sir. In 1996, no, he contested, but we changed him and we brought in Kufuor. Kufuor lost by a margin of 1.3 million. Even though he appreciated in votes, there be almost Kufuor increased in votes from 1996 to 1990, from 1992 to 1996. Forgetting, sir, Rawlings equally increased in votes.
Yeah.
So in that space, you don't talk about the increase in vote, you talk about the differences between the candidates.
That's all.
So the difference in 1996 was 1.3 with Kufuor. But Yanka said, because Kufuor has lost by 1.3 million, we have to change him. Because when it comes to the vote difference, he has done abysmal.
Yeah.
We repeated him. And he won in 1990. You can say 2000.
Yeah.
That should tell you, say, when in 1992, because we're not consistent, and we lost in 1996.
Yeah.
But when NPP came back to 8 Mile and maintained the candidate, in 2000 we won, even though we lost in 1996 with 1.3 million difference.
Yeah.
So, sir, 1.6 now NDC for MP and Ken can say about me lost by 1.6 in it will take how many years? It took Kufuor to within 4 years to clear 1.3 and even one with a difference of over 800,000.
Yeah.
One with a difference of about 800,000.
Yep.
So, but when him say Akufo-Addo more elusu here with a difference of, I think, was it 40 something thousand or so, no?
Yeah.
It took him 8 years.
8 years. 8 years.
That is 20 something thousand or say 30 something thousand, no. It took him 8 years. But it took Kufuor just 4 years to clear 1.3 and then one with 800,000.
Okay.
And when you look at the system, it happened in 1996, no? Any DAC say it looks similar. When you look at our parliament then, now and it was 66 or so, somewhere thereabout. What's now NDC ever to third, very big. The same thing is happening now. So it's like history repeating itself.
Yes.
So as a new patriotic party, we should look at history and then make sure say we repeat. We don't do the mistake of 1996 by changing the candidates.
Yes.
We should make sure say we repeat the what we did good in the year 2000. Repeat the candidate and looking at how he has been cleared. Looking at his policies, Ghana my and no. The man, I'm not following him. Where fellas, they be because I same way. Me because of NPP into Debbie. I'm not following him because of NPP. I'm following him because of the ideas of Papanewo.
Okay.
His creativity, because he's a problem solver.
Yes.
And if Ghana yet nipa be say, so for 8 years, groom people to also have the same wisdom and knowledge or Ghana will transform. Ghana will transform. Ghana better say bonone. Fellas, me say
Nancy Papa boys, party boys are building.
Exactly.
What's not party to parliament 20 na de bia una woska well to am building the papa ko finance too nice so na papa bia o kwa o dia collecting na so papa we and we woman san o dey your intellectual ni we na you be ni njentingum. All
right, fellas.
Who free so enough BBA, everything is there. Anybody who want to insult Kennedy, climb my platform today. This is what we are doing it.
Fellas, me this, you know.
Yes.
Mestre NPP for more NPP by people who were they kind of saying disappointed in the party because of opportunities or money. People who were disappointed because of school placement. Ebimukra nanka or more on contracts. No muhia you kind of saying permanent employment omonsanka ebimuso ohwa ye ton slot emomo ebimuso ohwa employment to any ebimuso scholarship omo ye dwuma MPP ba scholarship ye ton momo.
Look at that.
Minim say ade we ama Ghana MPP for bebre eboto ye. That's the reason why 2024 mo impia beto aba yesro bibiara yes say akwala any eja ne na gu na so a opepa na won twantwene.
Yes.
And yes say wo de once na ebufuo so wo fa once de ebufuo so a obri wukru
No correct.
MPP eyaya de yentimi mfime nko bibi fufuru bia Alan free muko ye na bra ba kwese yes ro bibiara. Let's come together. We know that there are bad nuts somewhere. Let's focus and look at the leader person who lead here who want to bring down structures ebeboa ye grassroots no. We won't get it 100%, but the best that we can do to make sure say Bibia ye no me was sure it would say Bibi sa bisi. Felix me that's ni akwenya wo de ama me ene anope. I mean sure.
You mini amano me that's say also the intellectual side left fact and figures na ba. Na me man me say fiti endra on enumre. And I'm a boss never could the video the same day me. And yeah, we crowd and yeah, MPP new NDC. Yeah. Pending for never could not send him not say appear. And I'm say yes, senior. By your party, what are they doing? And I'm say what they? No, say have you heard your man? And I'm say yeah, I've seen the video now. They send him, but I've not watched it. And I say men concord tea and I'm running and kasa. And I'm so the on country me the echo. Uni masema papa ne ka kire me. Also on NDC. Or NDC. And forever he will be NDC. However, if he was to change his mind to vote for any candidate, it will never be Kennedy Japan. The Okaditra to a mammy Yamushe Mene say MPP for per se one more election 2028 no munya below 20%, they should bring Kennedy Japan. Or no, yeah, NDC Nino. Or beside me say, why do you think my people are pushing Kennedy? Or no, yeah, NDC ni. Or there's upper, I can share the conversation with you privately. You understand?
Yeah.
And me tea and someone panic no. Unim just say why? Or Ghana, oh, the oil say so. Or Ghana, or tilte the Ghana youth no adwene. Edigensi your party leadership and say anyone when your appointment say woman na abo party na abro as if so no enya hwe o afa US no buy no onim de oye US no buy no they are all can say chair ladies ne chairman for bi a omo de omo support ba wumia no omo call Ken for intimidate now they shouldn't be intimidated, they should be bold. Now time one no more power na kura no omo ntumi intimidate me a how can they intimidate you? What ye bruchire udu dada uye wadwuma dada, don't let anybody intimidate you. Until now no obi ti abonti no hu sa video we are manuel the idea of that form na say na nti ba omi ankrofo no dwuma omo die ni ba omi ankrofo no dwuma omo die ni me ken wo so na wo di agufuo e kata wo ayi so de kire ankrofo wo si obi mo intimidate you manuel obi a wo call delegate conference. What's the MBA a union delegate mu ya BM? What's the Yama amnesty? What's still the parties against you? We are paying for Manuel. Or you paying for me? Say the man is never satisfied with anything. Everything he asks, we have done for him. Whatever he asks this party, the party has done for him. Still, he can't find one major thing to even thank the party for. He would rather prefer Nkrumah's Radin and Kopong. This man went and sold our party to Kwesi Pratt. And the Kwesi Pratt you come say fa kaya nim e ka kire ne say NPP de e nche abodan fo ne be de nim Jesus Christ. Why? This is where NPP has got into. Na mo de manual mo de mo kwaton kwase aba me sin ke di job ba beto sam party of
first and fallacy the whole thing is a media me blame party panifo no.
Of course.
Blame party panifo. And I don't we be party hakmo so jima and panifo ti mo to na kan Japan kwa egu koi. Mo to kan Japan egu koi ti mo. Kan Japan we nyame. Mo hwe no tese urade Yesu Kristo.
Aden.
Kan Japan we wan.
Aden.
Woni go. Ana what do so petrol? What's some say? Because I who say video. Me who say video me wolf wama. Say what was one sa. Can I jump over to answer?
Yeah, we ask sir. Wait to Mr.
Apu.
Wait to Mr. Sir. Wait to Mr. Sir. Hwe, me say me wo ho. Hwe, Mr. B ene. Me say dia me pese obi a wo pese wo ka Kennedy Japan ho asem bia no fro ha. Mo tap. Because man no if we have to face this man squarely. They say no, he's no longer MPP. We have to treat him like an NDC man.
Bahama kwasa so ba kan ha. Hwe ni ma waye. I say kan ho asem no. I put my divert attention.
This man will never give a check. Tie bibi hwe eja wusu se wa hwe hu a fiti time a olusu ye a we ba be di animu no one thing ya na ehye me ne say this man has never stood anywhere to say anything positive about MPP.
Never.
Yet the same man claims say onumbom ne do party no hwe me say so now we need Ghana 2024 election. The aye can won't tears here. Men am work ground. Chairman, wafa taxi now person we able taxi driver no. Now NDC for commercial ba. One ye de kasa Kennedy Japan. On your flag bearer no ponu ye to me you soon and nimu asem edit our party. How much more now? What could you America? America won't ask you say where you were. Na me ya na diaspora for na na omoya mo. Omoya he. Me say one more to aba we bruchire US ne Canada no nkasa no omoya.
UK we he.
Omoya he. Enunti mu pollution crofwa dwene me say endra metie papa ni na me come church say wusu my teeth was grinding say
me share Facebook ayi
I'm like why
chance
uni bibi edu baby kra na
Brazil
uni bibi edu baby kra na me bomb pa o metim say oh God, please let him change what he's saying. Why? Eradicate the control no. Eradicate control no. At a point, I had to pray for the man to control it because they are not. And sadly, then some more can contradicting himself. So far, what to say? How many Baumia for what is Omaka say no Baumia no vote? And so you working for when we do the math, the 2 million that Nanado got that didn't go to vote were Kennedy supporters. Check his percentage in the internal election. Do it by the total voters. Look at what Nanado lost, and then you will see, say, Kennedy and Japan Crawford didn't go out to vote. Something you cannot get any positive thing to say about. Every opportunity. America, we, Eja, Usu, Mabaho, many wedding komo. Mr. Wu, businessman for ni ho. Where share businessman now? Wo beton sa wo business idea kon na. Omo betumi tap in net me change Ghana idea adwuma ba no. You rather go there to attack the same party you want to lead leadership, attack the same party, attack the integrity of the party, and make yourself as a holy clean thing who has never seen no debt.
me say woni business ideas bia e matter makwa atunton obi anu ye me say answer la boy bi me no throw challenge say won kwa simple so ayi fruit juice factory agu
Me kai na me wo ho. Me say na me wo ho. Na me wo ho.
Say no tin kan bi boy no tin kan bi
me say me na me ka me kire o say fruit juice yi na egu me yankasa ma sheda eja wusu me yankasa ma sheda kura ku bi semu papa no say fruit juice yes 6 years ago say BBC hold say den e na ne bufu ye e no close ye so wo mbiye ma onu crop oni nya adwuma nye
good dada
6 years ago it's mo de kan enuma ho Mr. B for 5 minutes na obi antumi nka bi na afa yenko wa wo pese wo ka bi dia no frosoro
me how party penny4 because ebia on be after 31st January urobozo enra I was listening to Abronye or Prepontin maybe kind of report to go party bebre maka obewi ni tin ebia after we no year election we are on be in Japan party me na me ka chiro trust me because me to be so say bufu what or perifo obi one the bufu kan Japan and kwasi asem na odi no kan Japan kwasi asem na odi no hwe na about time brebe because of ye free abamuti hwe o my pay school replacement and on 50 million 100 million 50 million and about time suffer no. Look at all this who Canada who ma go America what sort of nonsense is this what go party who visa na party me say Dr. Bame wunya say ba ban mu bi wa contact bia the whole Ghana no omo mfa ma ba ku for da because omo chichem district near the arena because akodi ba ku for no nyeska enkwasa so kwasa ebi na ka Japan also odi din kwasa so oska so one hour no oska so what na moto na ka Japan ku part but the me say ya two ini wia ya two lesson wia on be na dey free because on ba kan kwasa so you be on be na free party no trust me because on be free party ma the person lose omo yi ni free ma e be bo party ni pa so why obu demon kese a wo party no taxi na ni pa de nyeska taxi driver New York here owo one work apre ka wo ye ni pa na wo also enkwasa kwa na wudi what sort of nonsense is this
no papa no they were taking too much me there after this video after this video, I may say right now, and you're clear to me. Me now, this come to confirm the Papa Bika terms. I want to catch us the Kennedy person the president. Or person Pramo, and it is true. This man don't want to be president. Or person who say or caso the other position. Yes, and I think now I believe that statement. No, I believe it now than ever. Now I truly believe that the person
I'll bring the party down.
Yes.
I'll bring the party down.
Yes. I will show how you won the election. And I'm actually to win. Make sense to me. The man had an agenda all this while, and we were looking at him because Kennedy the almost 10 back are coming here for Kennedy the said between a park we decided the man goodwill and didn't look at the persona in him. What you say? Me say my own personal family or the Edime family, and it is a fact. There's evidence to that. But in your hand, you can't do that.
Too much. I don't know where they.
Onye papa. Kennedy onye papa. Oma yenumbia ye di na chino oma yenu yo.
Just I think for corner. It's not this time. Why? So Juma Oscar America, Juma Manka here go Amazon. One work at channel. Amazon one work as a channel. Uber, the Uber buy. Half of millions of people unemployed. I don't work as now. They were one work at 7,000. A bit free. A bit good. Or we have to or be a Yajuma, over being count. What with that? And so Minuso or what he was jay. Or my film, a funny passing. But my bay. Not more conquest. Come on, grab me.
No, but Nana, rem, and they have found the junk one. Nana Joe to was and Canon and I could
be good afternoon, Mechia would be beer. More party in the Buffalo, Munye serious power. The party is not serious
at all.
Some serious part. Chanyama ekosu within 9 months he park opportunity ke see pan and ka ba isen ka party no e fa so grab some opportunity we say when some ekosu party and they are sitting on their boss so we ntimi cash in check in the Japan. It even WhatsApp group kran yate WhatsApp group kran yate and will be this that way school ye mate ni ehia na see at WhatsApp group and nipa no e sori at WhatsApp group na ke order to take WhatsApp group ni Edian quantity, dear, one can party. Edian Sikan Kwana can de my party no, can defeat my party now. Manoa no work say, almost Sariano pay jumping from radio stations to radio stations. And yet you money be no more yen. What is the two tables? So I see can bet me sorry for radio stations. I quack yejuma. So let's the same like Canada and Kawana. Say Kawada, and yet been a wood to a yesu and walk casano. Oh, I didn't see a moment nipa ba kusobiti party ni sa. No ma ye din da
every opportunity bia papa ibenya koton dia betumi aye adi so opposition party atem adi so opinion against obi adi so okaso obi di DJ obi adi udi de bia we ye claim Kennedy di o ye claim obi aye ni papa
me bo fellas I know say or I see a big party no I see on now why aboa party o mo tino kan
and those who are screaming their party, me
1992. Now me a pull agent. The kind of Japan, so America. Or no, I don't know if I party. Or some question, some one. I'm question some one. Yeah, party. One and
no, almost one more just for a party, a party.
Phobia member, Nana Ekasasano. Yeah, party, ono phobia member, Boano.
One my party, party,
Bema or shot at black and all the shoe yellow at once. Na nimu I'm to TikTok no normal casasi and warm. I'm going to go to who phobia my bama fosa and so the Kennedy chin size and Kennedy in Quasia for me and 1 year.
Nana dry
many pakuma cry, ye yadodo. Many pakuma ye yakra dodo. hwɛ nneɛma a ɛkɔ so paa nka yɛnyɛ opportunity time bi a NDC bɛyɛ biribi a ɛsɛ opportunity aba sɛ yɛtumi bɔ wɔn mu pin paa ne yɛtumi grab saa opportunity no na papa wɔ yɛ akɔfɛ biribi abɛtom ɛna mo nyinaa mayɛ din na mote mo boss so ɛna mote hɔnom na sɛ mo sɔre a mo hwɛ na ɛbɛpaapa ya na sɛ mo kasa ɛdeɛ na ɛbɛyɛ Kennedy ɛdeɛ na ɛbɛyɛ amajai papa yi nko a sɛ wɔngu party no sɛ mo hwɛ na mo nyɛ ready sɛ mo pɛ papa wa bi akwa hwɛ doctor wɔnam Ghana fa na nyina the risk involved a wo betina kam hwɛ sika petrol kura wo bɛsɛ wɔn mo di wachie wontimi fa wo bi ni wachi sɛ wo kɔ campaign aduane a wo bɛ feed sankofo no nyɛ sika na wɔn de yɛ saa adeɛ ne nyina enti sɛ mo nim sɛ mo nyɛ ready mo ma ne fa ne baabi no wɔntena ne baabi na sɛ mo nim mo ne wɔn na akɔnaive sɛ ɛyɛ 8 years nti 4 years de mo nyɛ hwee dia mo ma papa no wɔntena ne baabi no one try the baby, no one try na ho ase say mo ma connive say 8 years nti 4 years we dey money o money sheka after 8 years no be a mo ba be contest wo mo na 4 years we dey mo 8 years dey yanim dey mo ja ma NDC for enu na mo ne Kennedy say adwuma no
na opportunity
na party a mo ti mo ye elect people
opportunity say ya better hopa this week yeah be fight
ordinary people party no kra no ordinary people party no come just answer me say